How to sync, contact, and Facebook friends on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to sync your contact and Facebook friends on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok, click on it, and here click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now you have the second option, which is privacy. Click on it. And you have sync, contact, and Facebook friends. Turn on sync contact to easily find and follow people you may know. And you have sync Facebook friends. You can turn on this option too to easily contact with people you may know and better personalize your experience. And this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.